I saw it while I was walking, but I blanked what it was. Didn't knew, wasn't knowing, didn't know, hadn't known. Obviously, yung konteksto ng sentence na to ay in the past na kasi may mga different past tenses tayo dito. Meron tayong saw, which is in the simple past. Meron tayong was walking, which is past progressive. At meron tayong was ulit, simple past. Now, dito na baka malito kasi meron yung simple past, meron yung past progressive. Alin po yung susundan namin dito sa nawawalang tense. So, ganito siya. Regardless kung simple past yan or past progressive, ang iintindihin mo lang naman dito is yung nawawala ay isang state verb, right? Again, na-discuss ko na to sa previous video kung ano yung state verb. Ulitin natin. Kapag state verb, hindi siya kilos, okay? Condition siya, thought siya, feeling siya, verb of state. At ang verb natin dito na know, hindi siya action. Kung hindi, state verb siya. Dinidescribe niya yung state of mind mo or state of knowledge, verb of state yan. It's something you have in your head and not an action you physically do. So again, since state verb ito, hindi natin siya ipo-progressive. Ang gagamitin natin pag ganyan ay simple past. Again, meron tayong state verb in the past, kaya simple past. Therefore, answer is letter C.